Today, I want to show you how you can record your screen using Windows 11 free recorder. Windows 11 comes with an inbuilt screen recorder. With each new version of Windows, it has become easier to record your screen and anything on it. Prior versions of Windows did not have any inbuilt software to record the screen. Thus, users had to rely mostly on the third-party software to be able to record their screens. But now, thanks to the Xbox Game Bar in Windows 11, we have now the ability to record our screens. Next, I'm going to show you how this is done on the Xbox Game Bar. Let's head on to our computer. Before you start recording, open up the page that you want to record. Next, press the Windows logo key with the letter G to launch the Xbox Game Bar. Next, click on the capture icon at the top. And then next, click on the record icon, the start icon. At this point, guys, our video is being recorded. If you look here, the video is being recorded. The recording is still in progress. When you're finished through with the recording, click on the stop button to stop recording. Then click Game Clip Recorded. As you can see, guys, our video has been recorded. You can see we just recorded these ones. And then also if you click on Show All Captures, you'll be able to see the same things that we're seeing over here. Next, we can play. This is it, guys. The recording is done. It's that simple to do. Clicking on the settings icon will allow us to be able to make some modifications. So, for example, we are able to decide on what we are capturing. So what audio you're capturing. Clicking shortcuts. In shortcuts, you'll be able to decide on what combination keys you're going to use as your shortcuts. If you click on Show All Captures to the left, it will show you all the recordings that you've done so far. And then there are a couple of other things that you can do with this. So what I would say is just, guys, just play around with it and let me know what you find down in the comments and whether it's something that you think you'll use or it's just something that you're not going to use. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.